Hello, my name is Corbin Jones, and this is the first short video of my first data set. So this first data set is a CT scan of a rat heart vessel. This data set was provided as a part of the Brown ParaView tutorial that's cited in my paper. And so we have three different visualizations here. This first visualization is the volume rendering of the data set. So we have a nice rectangular block here that illustrates the different values of the TIF, which is our scalar value for the intensity. We have a couple of options. We can either visualize the TIF or just the solid color. This gives us a little bit of a better idea of the actual structure and gets rid of the rest of the pieces used to fill in the rectangular block. And then we can go back and visualize that. So that's just our traditional volume rendering. And again, we can move it around and visualize all of the different axes. The second visualization we have is the streamlines. So these indicate the vectors and the different directions associated with this visualization. You can see here that you have one streamline flowing in from this direction in the Z direction, and then these other two coming out this way. So this kind of lets us illustrate the direction of these visualizations with respect to the volume and again, the TIF values here. So that kind of adds on to the already 3D visualization that we have. And then the final visualization that we have is a slice. So you can see here on the left, we have our tutorial.vdk loaded in, and then our slice. And what this does is allows us to select a cross section of the 3D visualization and get a look inside, right? So with the 3D volume rendering, you're only going to be able to see the surface, but this allows us to see inside of that surface. So we can go ahead and move this around. And then click apply, and then we'll be able to see a different cross section here. So kind of cool to be able to get a look inside and get a better glimpse of what the actual volume represents. And screenshots of all three of these visualizations will be included in my report. Thank you.